How to fix why you can't send friend requests on Facebook. The first causes may be if you're blocked by a user. If the person has blocked you, you cannot send a friend request. You can verify by checking if you can view or message their profile. Or if the person may have set their profile to only receive friend requests from mutual friends. To connect, you might need to become friends with someone in their network first to send them a friend request due to their privacy settings. Or if you have too many unanswered friend requests, Facebook might temporarily block you from sending more. Canceling all pending requests could resolve this. And the other causes may be if Facebook suspects spammy behavior like sending too many requests quickly, it might temporarily restrict your account. So you have to wait a few days before trying again and avoid sending multiple requests in a short time. The other reason may be if the person has deactivated their account, you can't send them a friend request, so you'll need to wait for them until to reactivate it. Now the next reason if you have crossed or reached the friend request limit. Facebook has a cap of 5,000 friends per account. If either you or the recipient has reached this limit, new friend requests won't be allowed. In this case, you could ask them to remove someone to add you. And the last reason is due to the CAPTCHA or verification needed. Facebook may prompt a CAPTCHA to verify that you are not a bot, solve it to regain access to the friend request feature. So these are all the causes and solutions which might help you to fix if you're not able to send friend requests on Facebook. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.